afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 7th, 2026. We're bringing you a real nice little SVL75-2. This is lot number 1412. This unit has got pretty good hours on it. We'll go ahead and show you the hours there. I cannot remember off my head. Cabbed, full cab with the door, AC, heat. We will verify if it is high flow or not. We will put it on the description if it is high flow. I have not verified yet. Obviously it has the controller for a high flow, but I don't want to, oh, there we go. There you go. It is probably high flow. Okay. We will verify that, if it is high flow or not. I just want to be 100% certain that it is, but it most likely is. Has hydraulic quick coupler. Has some new tracks that were put on it. They got real good tread on them. At least 1 inch of tread depth there. Final drives look good. Rear final drives look good. It's actually in pretty good shape, guys. It just regened while I was here. It went through a full regen process with no issues, what I noticed. Runs good, no blow by. No misses in the motor, from what I can tell. Runs nice and clean. They were just loading it up on a trailer to go to work on a job. There you go. Pretty nice machine, guys. It does come with this bucket, guys. That's the one that's on it. It's a Bobcat bucket. Lot 1412 is on the machine. The cab door is there, and it stays in place, which is nice. Go ahead and get in the cab here. I've got the AC blowing, but we'll see if it's cold or not. I think it is somewhat cold. Oh, I don't think I have the button in. So it's not wanting to stay in, and I can't turn the knob. That's really bizarre. Okay. I cannot turn that knob, it is stuck. But I can hold the button down, and when I hold the button down, I can feel it getting cooler. Obviously you need that for the compressor to work, but that button I cannot get to turn. Anyway, I'll just show you guys on the meter here. Reading 69, 70 degrees. If I push the button down, which I don't have 3 hands to do it, but most likely will get colder. And we're at 85 degrees plus outside today. Anyway, we'll show you the hours here. Got 1,419.6 hours. Obviously got lights, all that stuff. And then it's got a quick connect. I don't know if you have to have this off for that to work. All right, there you go. And it works as it's supposed to. Okay. All that seems to work just fine. You know, it has all these aux hydraulics, so most likely does have high flow on this unit. And that actually might be the high flow thing right there. So anyway, we'll verify that. But obviously we're a 2-speed machine as well. Okay, all that's good to go. So without further ado, guys, for the sake of time, I've got equipment all over the place that's running around here. We got to get this thing, quick little video of it, show you guys this thing operates. Okay guys, as you can see, it all functions and works as it's supposed to. Lights are working, and I want to say I did hold the AC button down. Obviously we could hold it down and make it connect, but we couldn't get it to click and stay on that momentary switch. So it probably needs a new momentary switch and a knob there so you can turn the speed up and down. Besides that, guys, it runs, works great. It seems to be pretty tight. So if you got any other questions, please give us a call. It's located here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS, EQDEALZ. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.